How to deactivate an Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. It may be iPhone or Android. Now, look at the bottom left side. There you will see your profile picture. Tap on it. Then, look at the top of the screen. Click on 3 dots. A menu will pop up. In this, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on the Account Center. Scroll down to the Personal Details option. Tap on it. Now, click on Accounts Ownership and Control. There, you will see Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your account. Here you will see 2 options, Deactivate Account or Delete Account. If you want to hide your Instagram account, choose Deactivate Account. Or if you want to delete your account permanently, choose Delete Account. For example, I will make sure to choose a deactivated account. Then click on Continue. Now, Instagram asks you to enter your password. Once entered, click on Continue. After that, choose a reason why you are deactivating. Then, click on Continue. Then, click on the Deactivate account. There you can see Instagram is deactivated. And that's it.